Hello there! Today we will be making a girl. Yes, this comes under memory drawing and let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we have 3 steps right here and why don't we finish this together? At first, we will start by making a beautiful curve. Yes, that is going to be the face of our girl. And after that, we will make her hair. Let's make 2 cute ponytails for her as she is playing lawn tennis. Roughly start making her entire action, wherein we will make the shoulders and then the hand sleeve. Once we are done making the hand sleeve, we are going to make her t-shirt and then her shorts. Yes, here we see one of her legs ahead and the other one at the back. Can we place it properly now? This looks interesting. If you notice the hand, it is thicker at first and then is getting a little thinner towards the wrist. If you can notice your hand and see, you will have the same thing right there. Make the fingers slowly and properly. And after that, start making the racket. Yes, the lawn tennis racket. Once we are done making it, we are going to make her facial features. Yes, let's make it very rough at first and then we are going to make it fair. As soon as this is done, we will start making her hair. Go very slow while doing this. That's amazing. Make her expressions nicely. And now make almond-shaped eyes. Let's make the t-shirt on top of it. And then make the hand and the racket properly. Make these zigzag lines. Make these crisscross lines. And that looks amazing. After that, we are going to make the shorts properly. Make these 2 lines for the socks and then let's make her shoes together. Make the other shoe as well. That's lovely. And give this hand a finishing touch up. That's perfect. Now you know the next thing we do is start sketching this. Let's take a thin sketch pen and start sketching all the intricate details with it as first. Intricate details at first. We will use the tip of the sketch pen to do this nicely. Make these zigzag lines and then make the hair. Go very slow while sketching this. And the face is done. Similarly, let's do the entire body now. Yes, we will go right on top of the pencil marks and complete the entire picture. This looks brilliant. Let's start erasing all the pencil marks now. That's amazing. The next thing we do is start coloring this. Let's take our blue color and start coloring the shots at first. Yes, we will just color the pockets and then go ahead with yellow. Yellow is a light color, so it is preferable to do the light color first. After that, we will make compartments with the help of this dark blue color and then start coloring inside. After that, let's color this very lightly. And look at that, we're ready with the darker. And look at that, we're ready with the darker blue. Let's color light blue now. Well, yes, we will be blending both the colors properly. Make sure you do not color inside these lines at first. Color them very lightly and then color it with grey on top. This looks interesting. The next thing we do is take dark orange color and do the shoes. And after that, let's take yellow color and fill in color in the front part and the ball as well. After that, we will do skin color. Yes, in the legs, hands and face. But let's finish the socks first by blending grey and blue color. That's amazing. Let's start with the hand now. Finish coloring this nicely. And now let's take brown color for the hair. At first we will use a very dark brown and then blend it with a lighter brown. This looks amazing. Let's use a little bit of pink for the cheeks and then start coloring it with skin color. Complete the entire thing properly and then do pink color for the smile. That's so cute. Now we will start coloring the racket with dark and light blue. Let's do this blue on the rim like this. That's amazing. And we are almost done. Look at that, the girl is ready to play.